Welcome back, guys. Alejandro Cuts Hair here, and today we're going to be doing a quick 3-minute rundown on a bald fade. As you can see, I grabbed my Babyliss trimmers. These aren't super sharp. I keep them a little bit, they're older, the blade is not as super sharp, but I like to use them to bald people out. I know there's some haters out there that don't recommend trimmers to bald out, but I know, like, it'll dull out, but just make sure you have a separate trimmer for your lineups. But it's just the way I do it now, so it's all good. Next, I grabbed my braun shavers, and I use these especially in high fades, anywhere where I have to bald out a lot of area. It's just quicker. I have my Wahl Cordless Senior, so you can see, with the 1.5 on there, and I'm fading all the way up to the crown. Then I jump with my Wahls Open, take it all the way around. You see there's more space in the back that I like to, I go a little bit higher. Close up those levers and then just work your way through that bottom line. I like to add some finishing details with the trimmers just to really get that good blend from the shaved part to the Wahl numbers. Anyways, back up, I'm working with the number 1 lever open first, and then I'm going to close it and work out that bottom line. And this way just helps me so I don't go too high in the fade. I feel like if you work from bottom to top, which if it works for you, cool, but for me, I just find myself going way too high. It's better for me to pinpoint in the area that I want faded when I just go up and down, work my way up and down. I'm sorry, back and forth. Then I'm using my half guard, which is such an amazing tool. I swear it works. It helps to make that blend just look a lot nicer and smoother, and also just helps to widen it. But at this point, I am just working my way through that bottom line, closing, and just kind of working with the lever to get it where I want it. Do you guys like to use a half guard? Let me know. I work in a barber studio that I built in my garage, in case you guys were wondering. Before the studio, I worked at a public barbershop for 8 years. I've been trying to find a new fading clipper, but to be honest, I just don't know what to get next. What do you guys recommend? My first clippers ever were Wahl Seniors, but when I went to barber school, that's when I really got into Andis Masters, and I used those for a while, but I'm back to Wahl. I trimmed the top of his hair. I won't bore you too much with this step, but we did finger length all the way through, which for some reason is very tricky to do. As you can see now, I'm grabbing my trimmers, I'm kind of fading out the top of his hairline there, just really tapering, so it just makes it a lot easier when I go to line up. And also it's so his hair doesn't stick out too far, because he does have really straight hair, so it helps out, it helps to lay it down. Doing a quick little lineup, nothing too crazy, just something better, keeping it as natural as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and trim his eyebrows while I'm at it. Learn how to do this even with scissors, but I hate seeing people use guards with eyebrows, because there's just a good chance of you fucking up someone's eyebrows like that. Doing the other side, and I didn't record me razoring his hairline, but here's a finished product. What do you guys think? Look at that blurry ass fade. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you next time.